Surjewala said, "You will be surprised. When there is election in Bihar, politics is also at its peak. In every election, the Bharatiya Janata Party plays a master stroke and wins the game. Now bets are being placed on this one game. There is a fierce battle going on between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party regarding the caste census because both the parties are trying to humiliate each other on the caste census. There are political tricks. Political is in full swing to ensure that no party gets a foothold among the people. Vote bank is not transferred. The Bharatiya Janata Party is attacking the Congress by saying that why was it not implemented during your rule? While the Congress Party is calling the BJP anti-caste census and is saying that the credit for this goes to the Congress Party, it gives credit to Rahul Gandhi. Not only this, Bihar became the first state to conduct a caste census. But the NDA government is in Bihar and the opposition party Mahagathbandhan is strong here. Here the Congress party is weak, but in Telangana the Congress party is in power. So in such a situation, the Congress party is finding fault in the caste census of Bihar. Rising fingers on the caste census of Bihar means ending both RJD and Nitish because here the Rashtriya Janata Dal present it as a matter of pride, present it as its achievement, while the Janata Dal United calls it the achievement of the Nitish government. However, when the caste census survey was going on in Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav was also leading the charge under the leadership of Nitish Kumar. But the Congress party has started rising fingers on the caste census in Bihar as soon as the election year has come, and this is the issue which Tejasvi Yadav can present as an achievement among the people in this election. But even before that, the Congress is raising question on it. Now Surjewala has said many things and this can be called a political stunt. He has said a lot on the issue of Bharatiya Janata Party caste census Bihar. First of all, let us tell you that Randeep Surjewala is the National General Secretary of the Congress. He held a press conference and showed many documents during this. He made many allegations against BJP, attacking BJP. He said that God PM Modi had refused to conduct caste census in a written reply in Parliament. For BJP, caste census is only politics, but for Congress, it is a matter of justice, respect and equality. BJP says on caste census, if divided, they will be cut. They were against Mandal Commission. Surjewala also said that it was started on 19th May 2011 and the report came in 2015, but Bharatiya Janata Party threw it in the dustbin. PM Modi calls those who believe in caste census as urban Naxals. He gives the slogan of those who will be divided will be cut. It is Rahul Gandhi's struggle due to which Modi government has had to bow down. He further said that the model of caste census has become from Telangana. Bihar has conducted half-hearted caste census. Modi has said that the Bihar government has no right to conduct a caste census, and if it does so, it would be against the constitution. What is your opinion on this video and Surjewala's thought views of BJP?